Continuing from the previous video, this is the pending and hold consultations, I believe, and you have mentioned that if there is incomplete information from client, lawyer can request. Okay, so what you have said over here, that if the information that has been provided by the client is not relevant, or the informations are incomplete, then the lawyer can request more information and can put the request on hold. So what will happen when the lawyer does this? The timer will stop, and after the customer provide more information, then timer will start from beginning 24 hour. That is, it will when the more information is provided, the counter will start from 0 to 24 hours. And on request for more info page, lawyer will be able to write notes about consultation request and can request from client. Client will be notified by notification, SMS and email. Yes, I understand that there will be a note section over there, and what kind of information the lawyer needs, he can mention it over there, and the notification will be sent to the client along with SMS and email. Lawyer cannot request more than 3 information at the same time. Okay, I understand that. There you will be you will provide only 3 options or the 3 information options, that the lawyer can only ask for 3 informations at the same time. So yes, I understand that. It is simply it is very easy for us to be implemented. And attendant consultations, okay, so yeah, I understand that when a request has been accepted by the lawyer should provide the advice within 6 hours. So once I believe here also a timer will start once the lawyer accept the request, and if the lawyer don't reply the duration, it will be visible to other lawyers. So yes, I understand that after accepting the request, if the lawyer fails to provide the details within 6 hours, then if the lawyer misses that 6 hour duration, so then the request will be visible to other lawyers. Yes, that can be easily implemented. It will also contain a timer, and after the timer crosses the 6 hours limit, it will the request will be invisible to that particular lawyer, but it will be visible to other lawyers. And I understand that lawyer can't attend more than 3 consultations. I have a question over there, that I believe that the lawyer will not be able to attend more than 3 consultations at the same time, right? Because I don't believe that a lawyer will be only able to attend only 3 consultations request. So I believe it will for a day or the same time or a month. It will be something like that. This thing is not clear to me. So if you can clear it to us, then it will be easy for us to implement this thing. And in the completed consultations, yes, I can see that a lawyer can see all the consultations on which he has submitted advice. Okay, so here what will happen, once the lawyer submit his advice, the consultation will be closed, and the completed consultations will be able to see those consultations over this tab. In the submit advice option, so here what the lawyer will have to do for submitting an advice, there will be 2 buttons for save and confirm. On clicking on save button, user will be able to view success message. Your consultation request has been saved. You can complete it later. This thing is not clear for me, because this is the submit advice section. So here cannot be it cannot contain a message like this, that your consultation request has been saved, because in the lawyer section there is no such option. There should be no such option like consultation request, because the lawyer is going to provide the advice for that consultation request particularly. So I believe you have some information over here is wrong. So I believe that from my understanding here, what we will do, we will provide a box over there, and it will automatically contain the company logo, and on the bottom of the page there will be an option that will automatically contain the signature of the doctor. That will be I beg your pardon, that was not doctor, that is for lawyer. It will contain the signature of the lawyer, that will be added by the lawyer himself in while he is going to sign up. So after that, the lawyer will provide his advice, and then you'll have to click on the submit button, and the advice will be sent. I believe this is how the thing will work. And yes, I understand that at the same time, lawyer cannot provide more than one advice. So based on one request, a particular lawyer can provide only one advice at the same time. I completely understand that there will be a limit for this. And reviews and ratings, lawyer can view submitted reviews and ratings by clients. Yes, obviously, because when a client is rating the doctor, they should lawyer, the lawyer should able to see the reviews. The payment history, lawyer will be able to view account overview, transaction list as a total received amount from administrator, pending amount, etc. Okay, so here I believe what happens that once the lawyer provides the advice, then they will receive the amount from administrator. If they does not receive the amount, then the amount will be shown as a pending amount, and soon it will be cleared by the administrator and it will be sent to their account. So I believe this payment history section will contain these things. Also, it will show the transaction histories, that will show the received amount, transaction date and time. So yes, that will be very easy for us to integrate, because we have already implemented those things in multiple websites, so it will be very easy for us. And I believe the my profile page will be the same as the user section, and there will be a logout option also, and it will allow the lawyer to log out from the application. So it is basically a very easy thing to implement, because it is a basic component in any website. And let's coming to the backend panel. So it is basically the admin panel. So where the admin will be able to log in with email address and password, and admin can retrieve forgot password on email address. Yes, that will also contain for password reset link, I believe that. And after successful login, admin will be redirected to dashboard and able to view total number of registered clients, lawyers, total number of consultancy requests, etc. Okay, so yes, I understand that there will be 3 tabs over there that will show the total number of clients or lawyers, total number of consultancy requests that are presented on the portal right now, and the admin will be able to perform the user management. They will be able to see the list of users. They can delete or edit a user details or user name. They can set them as set the status as active or inactive, and also the attribute management. I believe this will contain the categories, the consultancy categories. Yes, you have mentioned this thing over there, and the admin will be able to add a new category or edit or set the status of a particular category as active or inactive, or delete a category. Consultancy request management, I believe here admin will be able to see the new request or the pending on hold request or attended request or completed request, and they will be able to see the flagged request that will be flagged by the lawyer. They can edit the request if somehow necessary. They can set a request as active or inactive, or they can delete a request also. And the refund request, yes, it will automatically come to the administrator when refund request has been initiated by the customer, and the admin will have to verify all the things after before refunding the amount. The payment and transaction history, it will show the total payment that has been made from the customers. Also, it will show the payment that has been made to the lawyers by the administrator. Admin can download the report in a CSV format. So yes, so we can implement that thing. It will be a very easy. And the setting section, the admin will be able to manage the consultation request timer. Okay, so admin, when a new request is there, then the admin can manage the timer of that request. That is, they can set it to either 24 hour or any other timing they want to. They will be able to manage the lawyer time for submit reply to customer. Okay, I understand that when a lawyer accepts that request, then they will be able to manage the time that will be assigned to the lawyer, and they will be also able to manage the consultancy fee that I was talking about in the previous video, that the consultancy fee will be previously set by the admin, and it will be fixed cost. As I have already said you, it must be a fixed cost consultancy fee. It will be same while a user is asking for multiple requests. So I believe that we are able to do all this for you. And yes, third-party API integrations, payment gateway integration. So please let us know what kind of payment gateway you want to use in your website. Mobile number verification, we'll be able to integrate that. And SMS gateway integration, let me tell you, for this purpose, for this SMS gateway integration, we will be able to use Twilio. We have used this in many of our websites or many of our projects, and we will be also able to integrate the payment gateway such as Stripe, PayPal, or any other payment gateway you want to. And for the mobile number verification, please let us know what kind of API you want to use for this purpose. So in the next document, I am able to see some things over here that you have said that in the client section, the client selects the type of consultation. So basically, this is the what the client can do over on the client section. It is mentioned over here, and I can see over here this is the same thing like the client, the work functionality of client that has been mentioned, and also the lawyer section. It contains the lawyer functionality, and these are the conditions that needed to be developed or implemented, and this is the admin functionalities. And here I can see that here you have mentioned what kind of payment API system you want to use. So this I believe this is the Payfort online payment gateway that you want to use in your web portal. So I have seen that, and I believe that we will be able to integrate that in your web portal. And I have seen that you want to integrate this API for SMS. We use Twilio for this, but we will be able to integrate this also if you want to. If the APIs are working properly, we will use Postman to check those APIs, and if those APIs are okay and they work properly, then we will be able to integrate this thing in your web portal also. And here other things over here, that's the business model. That's consultation price 40 SAR the fixed price. I believe this is the Saudi Arabian currency that you have mentioned over here. So it will be fixed, and it will be mentioned. It will be mentioned from the admin panel that will show in the user section. And the web portal fees will be 20%, and so the company will charge 20% for the consultation price, and the other 80% will be the lawyer's profit, and it will be transferred to the lawyer's account when the advice has been sent by the lawyer. So I believe this is how the web portal will work, and thanks for letting us know about the payment gateway APIs and the SMS APIs over here. So it is very easy for us right now to work on the project for yours, and I believe that we will be the perfect fit for this project. But one of my requests to you that please let us know what kind of API you want to use for mobile number verification purpose, and I believe it will also use the SMS API because it will also send the SMS to the customer mobile number. So we will be yes, we will be able to integrate this API for mobile number verification also. So yes, all things are clear to us, and I believe that I have cleared all the requirements for you and all the requirements that you have mentioned in the bed over here. So I believe that you understand that we are very experienced for this project, and we will be able to complete this project as per your requirement. So hope to work with you in near future. With that hope, I want to thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.